Hey guys, this is Patoom from NCG and I'm going to show you some Dark Magician deck combos. As I'm doing this, I realized that I should have put the deck combos in the deck profile, so in the future we're going to do the deck profile with the deck combos. That way there's less confusion and everything can be seen at the same time. So let's get started with the first combo. This one is just good for any rank 7, any deck that can make a rank 7. So we'll need two rank 7s. Let's say we brought out with, Eternal Soul activating on your opponent's turn, and then a circle, and then let's add a Playmats to hand. So now it's your turn and you're wondering what let's zoom out so we can show off the whole combo a little bit better. So what do you want to do at this moment? So you're gonna want to Exceed. Wait, you're not linking? Nope, I am doing an Exceed summon for Galaxy Tomahawk. And the reason why is because this thing can spam so many tokens. So this can go into so many great plays. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna detach 2, obviously, to bring out all 5 tokens onto the field. I have Jura Egg tokens because they were like 10 cents each on TCG players, so good thing I have those. So from there, we're gonna use one of the tokens and the Galaxy Tomahawk to bring out a Link. Is it Proxy Dragon? Is it Akashic Magician? Actually, can't be Akashic Magician because I use a token. It's actually Qliphort Genius. So this card is able to be summoned by using 2 machine monsters, and it's also kind of a skill drain. So you'll see why that's important in a little bit. So then we're gonna go in for a Link 4 and bring out the one, the only Firewall Dragon. So now I have 1, 2, 3 different places where I can bring out extra deck monsters. So now I'm gonna activate Eternal Soul to bring back the Dark Magician I sent as a material with Galaxy Tomahawk. And then now I can banish because Circle's on the field. Or you can wait a little bit, drop Playmats to target Dark Magician, and bring out the main honcho, Dark Magician the Dragon Knight. So now I have something to protect my back row and 2 really good Link monsters and more spaces to do some more Link shenanigans. So let's get into the second combo, which is what happens when you have a Rod and a Navigation set. So we're gonna have another Dark Magician and Playmats in hand. We're gonna keep Circle on the field, set Eternal Soul. We're gonna add a Magic Hand to hand, an Apprentice Illusion to hand. Where is he? Navigation to hand, and then if we can find it, a Secret Village of the Spellcasters. And if you want, you could also add a Magician of Dark Illusion, which is here actually. And this combo is a little bit more. That was the deck box. The combo's a little bit more complex and it's a bit slower, but I still love using this combo. So what you're gonna want to do is, I forgot to put out Rod. If I can find Rod. Here we go. So we're gonna summon Rod, right? And then Rod obviously gets the search and add to hand if you get a target. We're gonna set Navigation and Eternal Soul right here. Then we're gonna bring out Apprentice, and then we're gonna pitch, Magic. I'm using Magic Hand because Magic Hand's a great pitch for Illusion as well as in a lower target. And then from there we can add a Dark Magician to hand. But what we can also do is, since we have Spellcasters, activate Secret Village. So pretty much our opponent is now locked out of bringing spells because they don't have a Spellcaster on field. Until they summon one, they can't be using spells. And then on your opponent's turn, you can activate Navigation, special summon the Dark Magician you had in your hand, and then search for a wrong deck. Search, then add a apprentice illusion magician and summon him on the field because navigation allows you to summon another dark spellcaster. And then we get to activate apprentice's effect, add a dark magician to hand. And then since we activated trap on our opponent's turn, illusion can come on the field. So from there, what we can do is amazing. Let's see what we get for our draw. We get another rod. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the rod and then the 2 apprentices to bring out, I keep on using the wrong deck, to bring out the one, the only, where is he? I have so many one and onlys. Decode Talker, aka Dat Boy. So from there, it's pointing to Dark Magician. We have a 28 beater on the field. Then we're gonna pitch Dark Magician with Aya Timaeus to bring out Dark Magician the Dragon Knight. And then now that our back row is protected, we can activate Eternal Soul to bring back Dark Magician onto the field. And since we have illusion on the field, let's overlay for Ebon Illusion. From there, we can what we can do is we can detach one and then bring out a Dark Magician, going for shenanigans from there. What I did last time was I also normal summon Rod to add Circle. And then since the player was going really slow, next turn, use Rod and Decode to bring out Firewall, activate Eternal Soul, bring back the Dark Magician, overlay for Red Eyes Flare Metal, and now there's no need to, if your opponent wants to activate an effect, they're not gonna have a fun time with it. And then you can also detach one and then summon a Dark Magician from the deck, because I know I have one more in here. Yep, one more. And we're going in for a lot of damage. I think that's gonna be a good amount, because 3,000, 3,000, 5,000 with these two combined. So that's already 8K, so that's game. And then so 10,500, and then this would be 13,300. So that's a lot of damage. This deck is really fun to troll people with, especially if they have a slower deck or they're constricted to one type. So we're gonna do one more combo and I think we should be good. So the next and final combo is gonna be doing one with Firewall and just doing Firewall shenanigans from there. So we're gonna pull up a combo that we've seen before, and that is using, if we can find it, the Tomahawk and the 5 tokens. 3, 4, and 5. We're just gonna put them like this for now, and just lower everything right here. Then we're gonna, instead of going immediately into Firewall Dragon, what we're, our Q4 Genius, what we're gonna do is immediately go into Firewall Dragon instead. And let's say we have Eternal Soul, we get to special summon Dark Magician, and let's say we have a Navigation, if I can find one, in Navigation we activate it, bring out another Dark Magician, and then we go into, where is he? Magician of Dark Illusion. And something that I do that sometimes catches people off guard is I would tribute the 2 Dark Magicians to bring out like a different, like level 7. Radiant. Well, let's use Radiant for this case. And then I would link. And then I don't have the card yet because it hasn't come out yet. We can go into Code Talker. And now that we have a card co-linked to this, we can start bouncing cards back to our hand. So this lets our plays be recycled for a good amount of time. Because once you have this going on, there's honestly no need to bring out the extra deck stuff, just because the Dark Magicians will still be protected and they could still swing in pretty hard. And you know, if all else fails, you can go into different links as well. And you can never guarantee that Code Talker will stay. So if Code Talker does end up going, or if Firewall does end up going, you can still go for some really nice plays. But that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you subscribe down below, and we want to hit 4,000 followers by the summer. So please check out our other videos, share our videos, like our Facebook page. Everything is down below. So we'll see you next time.